Welcome to the Foodili channel. Are you ready to make a delicious pizza? For this delicious pizza, we need 5 medium mushrooms. Mushrooms should be cut into thin slices. Cut half of a red bell pepper into strips. Chop the bell pepper strips finely for the perfect texture. Chop the cheese finely to evenly distribute its taste and aroma throughout the pizza. For today's pizza, we need approximately 150 to 200 grams of shredded pizza cheese. I use 97% lean pre-cooked bacon. We need about 10 slices of veal bacon. Add 2 teaspoons of mixed sauce, ketchup plus mayonnaise to the pizza dough. Using a brush, spread the sauce evenly on the dough. Spread the shredded pizza cheese over the sauce. Place the bacon slices on the pizza cheese. Now add the sliced mushrooms on top. Add another layer of pizza cheese on top of the mushrooms, covering the pizza. Next, sprinkle the finely chopped bell pepper. Finally, sprinkle some sesame seeds and place the pizza in the preheated oven. Cook the pizza at 180-200 degrees Celsius for about 12 minutes until the cheese is golden brown. Did you have fun cooking with us? Don't forget to subscribe, like this video. Your support and likes are very important to me. Our bacon pizza is ready. Bon appetit! Thank you from the bottom of our hearts for watching. If you love this recipe, check out our fan favorite video right here. Share your favorite dish in the comments and get ready for our next mouth-watering recipe. Can't wait to share our next culinary creation with you. It's a surprise you won't want to miss. See you in the next video.